Math falsifies naturalistic mega-evolution, Part 24. Atheist mathematician and scientist. Quote 46. There is the very major difficulty for evolution in the large, that the chromosomes of widely separated taxonomic groups are very different. Reptiles are very different from mammals. So how did the chromosome structure of reptiles change into that of animals? If we say by internal mutations, many small steps would be needed, since a large change of structure occurring in one step to one individual would be sterile, because it would be unmatched in individuals of the opposite sex. Atheist scientist Dr. Fred Hoyle. My comment. Dr. Hoyle indicates that the chromosomes in each of the higher taxa are very different from those in other higher taxa. So, to change from one to the other, would require vast numbers of small steps. However, math indicates that there is not enough time in the Earth's history for random chance to create all of these changes, and for natural selection to fix all of these changes across each species in each higher taxon. Quote 47. This picture is strongly supported by the mathematical discussions of previous chapters, which showed that changes involved a multiplicity of base pairs can never be discovered by internal mutation. Changes even much smaller than those just discussed cannot arise spontaneously. Dr. Fred Hoyle. My comment. Dr. Hoyle indicates that genetic changes requiring multiple base pairs for function cannot be discovered by random chance, and be fixed in a species population, by natural selection in the 4.5 billion year history of the Earth. So, the vast chromosome differences between higher taxa cannot have arisen by random chance and natural selection in Earth's history. Quote 48. The mistaken extrapolation from evolution in the small, i.e., microevolution, to evolution in the large, i.e., the story of single-cell to human evolution. That followed Darwinian theory of 1859 led society into a swamp, which has only grown deeper with the passing years. Dr. Fred Hoyle. My comment. Dr. Hoyle indicates that Neo-Darwinism is correct for microevolution, i.e., adaptation of species within a genus or family. However, the extrapolation of Neo-Darwinism to naturalistic mega-evolution, i.e., alleged single-cell to human evolution, is completely false, based on math. Note: Dr. Fred Hoyle presents detailed mathematics in his book that shows how Neo-Darwinism is false in its claim to explain the origin of higher taxa in the biosphere. Note: atheist mathematician and scientist Fred Hoyle performed extensive calculations to determine if naturalistic evolution, random chance and natural selection, would work. And he found that it does not work, for any level higher than microevolution, i.e., adaptation of a species to its local environment, inside a genus or family. He published the calculations in a book titled, Mathematics of Evolution. The quotes above are from his book. Conclusion. In his book, Dr. Hoyle uses extensive mathematics to show that Neo-Darwinism is false for higher taxa. Neo-Darwinism is true for microevolution, i.e., random chance and natural selection can cause adaptation of a species to its environment, resulting in formation of varieties inside a species, or genus, but nothing more. Random chance and natural selection are not capable of creating the biofunctional information, and the large-scale changes, needed to create completely new body plans, and completely new higher taxa, such as kingdom, phylum, class, order. So, Neo-Darwinism, random chance and natural selection, is false for naturalistic mega-evolution, i.e., the claim of naturalistic single-cell to human evolution. And, this is the case for all naturalistic mechanisms in the modern synthesis and the extended synthesis. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.